Gentlemen, let's get real. What if I told you that something as simple as olive oil, yes, the same oil sitting in your kitchen right now, could actually become a natural testosterone booster when paired with the right ingredients? No risky pills, no overpriced supplements, no complicated diets, just a simple, science-backed combination you can make at home in under 5 minutes. I'm a board-certified urologist with over a decade of experience helping men restore their energy, drive, and confidence. And today, I'm going to show you how mixing extra virgin olive oil with a handful of powerful natural boosters can raise testosterone, protect your prostate, and bring back the strength you thought was gone. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share exactly how and when to take this mixture for maximum results. But first, let's quickly talk about why testosterone matters more than most men realize. Testosterone isn't just about sex drive. It's the hormone that keeps your muscles strong, your bones dense, your belly fat under control, and your mind sharp. It fuels your energy, motivation, and even your mood. But here's the problem. After age 50, testosterone naturally drops about 1% every year. And for many men, stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, and health issues make it fall even faster. Low testosterone doesn't just hurt your desire. It makes your erections weaker, your recovery slower, and your energy almost non-existent. But here's the good news. Research shows that nutrition and lifestyle can restore testosterone production, and olive oil, when used correctly, is one of the most powerful tools you can use. Let's start with the foundation: extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil. Not the cheap, refined bottles you find on clearance shelves, but the real golden oil that still carries its natural aroma and nutrients. This oil has been treasured for thousands of years in Mediterranean cultures, not just for flavor, but for vitality and longevity. And modern science is finally catching up. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, the clean, healthy fats your body needs to make testosterone. Remember, testosterone is literally built from cholesterol, and the type of fat you eat determines how well your body can produce it. By fueling your body with the right fats, you give it the raw materials to rebuild testosterone naturally. But olive oil doesn't stop there. It's also rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that calm inflammation. Why does that matter? Because inflammation inside your testicles damages the Leydig cells, the very factories that make testosterone. Olive oil helps shield those factories and keep production strong. In fact, studies show that men who consume olive oil regularly not only have higher testosterone, but also higher levels of luteinizing hormone, the signal that tells your body to start testosterone production. Think of luteinizing hormone as the spark that lights the fire, and olive oil helps keep that spark alive. Now let's take it a step further with the first ingredient you should mix into olive oil: garlic. Surprised? Most people see garlic as just a flavor booster, but it's one of the most powerful natural medicines hiding in your kitchen. When you crush or chop garlic, it releases a compound called allicin, and allicin is a game changer for men's health. It lowers cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Why does that matter? Because cortisol and testosterone are like rivals. When cortisol rises, testosterone falls. And in today's world of stress, poor sleep, and constant pressure, cortisol often wins. Garlic helps flip the balance, lowering cortisol so your testosterone can rise naturally. But garlic doesn't stop there. It also improves blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels and reducing blood pressure. That means more oxygen-rich blood flows easily throughout your body, including where it matters most. Better blood flow means firmer erections, more stamina, and greater sensitivity. Now picture this: garlic plus olive oil. One ingredient lowers stress and boosts circulation, while the other reduces inflammation and fuels hormone production. Together, they create a hormone-balancing, blood-boosting powerhouse that works with your body instead of against it. Here's how to do it, and this part is critical. Always crush or chop a fresh garlic clove and let it rest for 10 minutes before mixing. That short wait activates the allicin, making it far more potent. Then stir it into a tablespoon of high-quality olive oil and take it with your dinner. That's it. No gimmicks, just pure natural support for your testosterone, your energy, and your performance. And guys, before we move on, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Every week I share practical, science-backed health tips that can save you from wasting money on junk supplements and help you stay strong, confident, and healthy well into your 70s and 80s. Don't just watch, join the community, because the more men who know this, the better. Not only will this mixture add flavor to your meals, but it also gives your body a natural boost of testosterone-friendly nutrition. The second ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Most men see lemon as nothing more than a refreshing citrus, but it's far more powerful than that. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, one of the strongest antioxidants you can put in your body. Vitamin C shields your testosterone-producing cells from damage caused by free radicals and daily stress. But it goes deeper. Vitamin C helps regulate blood sugar, and stable blood sugar is critical for testosterone balance. Every spike and crash throws your hormones out of rhythm. Keeping it steady allows your body to focus on what it does best, producing testosterone and keeping your energy high. Lemon also supports nitric oxide production, the compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. More nitric oxide means more oxygen, more nutrient delivery, and stronger, more reliable erections. Lemon isn't just refreshing, it's actively fueling performance from the inside out. And here's where it gets interesting. When you combine lemon juice with olive oil, something powerful happens. The healthy fats in olive oil actually enhance the absorption of vitamin C and other antioxidants, giving your body a stronger defense against inflammation. Together, they cleanse arteries, calm inflammation, and create the perfect environment for testosterone to rise. And you don't need much, just a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice mixed into your olive oil daily. Simple, natural, and effective. Now for the third ingredient, ginger. For centuries, this root has been celebrated across Asia and the Middle East as a natural vitality booster. Ancient healers used it to spark energy, fuel stamina, and restore male vigor. Today, modern research confirms they were right. Ginger is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. Inflammation, as we've said, is a hidden enemy of testosterone. It damages the Leydig cells in your testes, the very factories that produce testosterone. By calming that inflammation, ginger protects these cells so they can work at full strength. But ginger goes even further. Clinical studies, including one in 2012, found that men who supplemented with ginger saw testosterone levels rise by as much as 17%. That's a massive increase, especially from something as safe and simple as a spice. How does it work? Ginger improves blood sugar control, stabilizing hormones. It also boosts blood flow to the testes, ensuring testosterone-producing cells get the oxygen and nutrients they need. And as a powerful antioxidant, it shields your reproductive system from oxidative stress. Now combine ginger with olive oil and you've got a perfect synergy. Olive oil provides the raw building blocks for hormone production, while ginger delivers circulation-boosting protection. The result? More energy, stronger desire, and greater confidence where it counts. To use it, add about half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or a high-quality powder into your olive oil mixture. And now we get to the fourth powerhouse, turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural compounds for male health. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory that cools the chronic low-grade inflammation, quietly destroying testosterone. Left unchecked, this silent inflammation stresses the testes, disrupts hormone balance, and makes testosterone production grind to a halt. But here's the catch. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. This is where black pepper comes in. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Without black pepper, turmeric barely scratches the surface. With it, turmeric becomes a testosterone ally that lowers inflammation, restores hormone balance, and supports stronger circulation and sexual performance. Here's how to do it. Mix a pinch of turmeric with a dash of black pepper into a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The healthy fats in the oil carry curcumin directly into your bloodstream where it can actually work. The flavor is earthy and a little spicy, but the payoff is huge. This tiny upgrade can become one of the most powerful natural remedies in your daily routine. And guys, if this information is opening your eyes, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week I share science-backed, no-nonsense strategies to help men over 50 stay strong, energized, and confident. Don't just watch, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs it. Start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Crush a fresh garlic clove, let it rest for 10 minutes so its allicin is fully activated, and add it in. Next, squeeze in a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice for its vitamin C and cleansing power. Stir in half a teaspoon of ginger, fresh or powdered, for its testosterone-boosting kick. Finally, add just a pinch of turmeric with a dash of black pepper to unlock curcumin's full potential. Mix until it blends into a smooth golden tonic. You can take it straight as a quick shot, drizzle it over vegetables, or dip bread into it. Either way, your body gets a concentrated dose of testosterone-friendly nutrition. Timing matters. The best moment to take this is with your evening meal. Why? Because testosterone production peaks while you sleep. That's when your body is repairing, restoring, and releasing hormones. By fueling it with this mixture before bed, you're giving it the raw materials and protection it needs to maximize testosterone overnight. Stay consistent, and within a few weeks, many men report powerful changes, steadier energy, stronger desire, firmer erections, and a renewed sense of vitality. This isn't a gimmick, it's a reset, a natural way to help your body feel younger, stronger, and more reliable again. But here's how to take it even further. The olive oil mixture is powerful on its own, but when you pair it with smart habits, the results multiply. First, zinc. Without it, testosterone production suffers and prostate health declines. Pumpkin seeds, oysters, beans, and lean meats are excellent sources. Next, magnesium, the mineral that calms stress hormones. High cortisol competes directly with testosterone, and magnesium helps bring it back under control. Spinach, almonds, and even a square of dark chocolate can keep your levels steady. And don't overlook hydration. Erections and hormones depend on good circulation. If your blood is thick from dehydration, everything slows down. Add alcohol, and you've created the perfect storm for weak performance. Drink enough water and keep alcohol moderate. It's one of the simplest but most overlooked ways to support testosterone. When you combine these habits with your olive oil mixture, you're not just fueling testosterone, you're protecting the very systems that make energy, intimacy, and vitality possible. Gentlemen, boosting testosterone naturally isn't about miracle pills. It's about giving your body what it's been craving all along: the right fuel, the right care, and the right balance. olive oil, garlic, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. 6 simple ingredients, safe, affordable, and effective. So here's my challenge. Commit to this mixture for 30 days. Pair it with good sleep, daily movement, and stress control. Give your body 1 full month of consistent support, and you will feel the difference. Your energy will rise, your confidence will return, and your performance, both in and out of the bedroom, will feel stronger and more reliable. And one last thing before you go, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with a friend who needs it. Every week I share doctor-approved, science-backed tips to help men over 50 stay strong, healthy, and confident. Don't miss the next one. It might be the tip that changes your life. Remember, age is not the end of strength, confidence, or passion. It can be the beginning of a whole new chapter. Stay strong, gentlemen. Here's to reclaiming your vitality, one evening ritual at a time.